Nigel is a happy man. What have you got, my friend?
Well, today we've just received our latest version of Linn 360 speakers. Really exciting because tomorrow, which will be today by the time you visit this, of course.
That's counted on that. I've got time to edit this together. No pressure.
Tomorrow, which is the 30th, is the launch day, and of course we'll get them a day in advance to give us a chance to set them up. So yeah, been around 3 years. They have gone the extra mile and extra level with bass drivers. So they have now designed and had made bass drivers to suit the specification and the need of this particular speaker. Unlike anything you will ever see, ever. They are ridiculous. This is our current pair till tomorrow, and a fairly conventional looking bass drivers, dished in aluminium lightweight cones, etc., etc. New ones, currently upside down, of course, because I'm busy building them. You can see how the drivers are a lot flatter. That's only half the story. What you can't see in the inside is what you'll see on the video is the total change in design of the magnet assembly and the suspension, etc., etc. Giving it way more linearity, better quality bass, really.
Linn has completely redesigned the 6 and 8 inch drivers in-house. Compared to the previous 360, the big step forward is the introduction of their new Pistonik motor system. This keeps the drive unit moving in a far more controlled, perfectly linear way, significantly reducing unwanted distortion, while new heat control vents help to manage temperature for a more consistent performance over long listening sessions. What that means in practice is greater clarity, even more accuracy, and a cleaner, more effortless low-frequency performance, especially when you push the volume. And importantly, if you already own the original Linn 360, your Linn Specialist can offer a driver upgrade, so you can benefit from all of these improvements without replacing your entire speaker system. If that's something that you'd like us to help with, just get in touch.
So there's a couple of little suspension mounts that we have to put on first, because the amplifier which is driving these speakers, which is all built in, by the way, we've got full amplification on board. Full DSP, etc. These are a pair of Integrated Exakt speakers which only require a single Cat5 cable and a mains cable going to them. So the stand goes on like so. Quite heavy, about 20 kilos, gives it some balance. And as it said in the unboxing video from Linn, a wee shuggle. Don't believe me? Go and look it up.
I totally believe you.
Yeah. So I'm going to put these the right way up on my own. There might be a bit of grunting. The design of the packaging is such that we put part of it on the floor so I can drop the speaker onto the packaging, it tilts up and I can pick it up. So first off, down we go. Onto the packaging and onto the feet, so it tilts it up a little bit. This is where I may make some noise. I held it in.
Like a professional. Almost,
yeah. Yes, so the right way up, and look at these, aren't they fantastic? Driving units look amazing, and this is a new walnut finish. The eagle eyes amongst you over the last 3 years will realise that the only finishes that 360s have come in is a painted finish, which I think looks really cool because you can choose what colour you want. However, there are still some traditionalists out there who want a piece of wood on their speaker, and they've managed to perfect, because of the shape of the cabinet. It's curved here, it's curved at the top and around the sides. It's been really difficult for them to come up with this, but they've got it. And so now we have a nice walnut finish for those who want a nice wooden speaker. So
very nice indeed. Yeah. So we have just had an event, to be fair, so these rather wonderful Sonos Faber Aidas will be moving at some point, but yeah, like you said, Nigel, anyone who thinks Linn 360s are too big.
Yeah, there's some perspective for you.
So, Nigel, now we've gotten lumped in, we will, of course, move the big ones. You have a lot of work to do with positioning and space up.
I do.
And then lots of lovely listening to these fantastic new speakers. I can't wait.
Bit of running in to do, and it'll all be good. So
get your finger out, get them tuned, because I want to listen to these.
Absolutely.
So thank you very much, Nigel, for this little impromptu video. It was rude not to film you, so thank you.
No problem. And and as ever, we'll see you in the next video.
Nice.